In this video today, we'll be learning about how to manage our layers whenever we are working on a large compositional project inside of Affinity. So in order to manage the layers, we'll be using the layer tagging feature which Affinity has inside of the layers panel. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks related to Affinity. Now with that said, let's get started with the video. So in order to organize our layers with the layer tagging feature, first of all, let's collapse our other panels, which is the color panel as well as the history panel. And now after collapsing these neighboring panels, you can see that we have a handful of layers inside of the layers panel. So right now in this document, we have only a handful of layers. However, we often come across a large compositional document or projects inside of Affinity that would have hundreds and hundreds of layers. So in these cases, you can use this feature. So to demonstrate this feature further, you can see that inside of our layers panel, we have different types of layers. So the first is the star layers, where there are different elements of stars, as you can see here inside of the layers panel. And the other layers we have is the donut layers, which are the elements or images of donuts, as well as a text and a background. So right now the layers are simple, and to demonstrate the layer tagging feature, let's say in our project, these particular star elements are not stacked in order or in a set similar to the one you can see here inside of this layers panel. So in those cases, what we can do is we can simply click on one star and then hold down the shift key and click on the other star and then right click on any of these selected layers, and by navigating below all the way to the bottom of the option, we can assign any of the color tags to those selected layers. So I'll simply set the color tag to blue for these selected layers, and if I click away outside of the layers or outside of the canvas, now you can see that all of the selected layers has been tagged with blue colors that are visible on the right. So you can use this feature for layer management and organization purpose so that it would be easy in order to find out and work with any of the layers inside of the layers panel quickly whenever there are hundreds and hundreds of layers. So similarly, we can also tag individual layers with this color tagging features, and in order to do that, we can simply right click on a particular layer. So in this composition or poster project, I'll right click on the text layer, which is solo, and then I'll navigate below or scroll below in our options and then assign any one of the color. So I'll simply assign this particular color of orange red, and you can now see that it has successfully color tagged that particular text layer with the orange red color on the right inside of the layers panel. So the next thing we can also do is we can simply select any other similar elements by either holding down the command key and then selecting each individual one of the layers if they are set apart in the stack. And after selecting each individual layers, we can simply right click and then navigate below and group them. And after grouping them, we can also set or tag a particular group inside of the layers panel with a color. So let's right click on this group and then similarly let's scroll below and then assign any one of the color. So I will assign a color of green for this group, and if we uncollapse our group, now you can see that each individual element inside of the group has been assigned with a green color tagging for each layer. So the next thing that we can also do is, let's say for example, our star layers are placed randomly inside of our layers panel like so, as you can see here. So in those cases, what if we want to select all the layers that has the same color tag of blue? So in this case, all you can do is simply right click on any of the star layer and then navigate below or scroll below and then simply select this option called select same tag color. And when we select the same tag color option, now you can see that all of the star element has been selected inside of our canvas, which is also indicated inside of the layers with the blue highlight indicating that every star layer has been selected. So this is how you can use the layer tagging feature inside of Affinity in order to organize or manage your layers from the layers panel. If you have a large compositional project that has many different layers. So I hope you get the concept here. And if you find this video helpful, please click on the like button. And for more helpful tips and tricks related to Affinity, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.